Welcome once again back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to also focus on another health drink. This time we are going to focus on the respiratory system, and more specifically a condition that most of us undergo every single year, twice or even once, and this is a cough. So to address this, we're going to make a deep breathing cough natural syrup. So this is basically we're going to use carrots, onion and honey. So a cough is generally in a defensive reflex of the body as an effort to eliminate accumulated secretions in the bronchi. For this reason, it's not wise to suppress a cough. So some people, they don't really like to cough, but it's not good to suppress a cough because it's a natural way the body reacts so that it can eliminate any accumulated secretion. With that regard, you should enable a cough because it's in so doing your respiratory airways is cleared as soon as possible. So the juice we're going to make today does not suppress cough. Instead, because of the onion, it makes respiratory mucus more fluid and it facilitates its expulsion. So in this way, a cough is less intense. So you'll not even have a dry cough, which can be irritating. So it's less intense and eventually goes away. The most frequent cause of coughing can be addressed from the root cause. So the honey that we're also going to add, which is just a teaspoon, it contains anti-infectious protein that contribute to clearing and elevates the cough. So this can be used in addition to a typical syrup, or sometimes it can just work on its own if the cough is not that complicated. Later on in our series, I'll be able to show another simple cough syrup that also works in a miraculous way. So this juice clearly helps to fight a cough and clear the respiratory tract. So it's very good for a person who has a cold or fever or just a cough as a result of another condition that maybe might not be a cough or might not be a cold or a flu. Yeah, so this, it's not recommended to drink it while with ice, but on room temperature. The benefit is because cough doesn't like cold stuff. So if you take it at room temperature, then it's going to really help the cough go away sooner. And as well, it's not also advisable to put this on high temperature, because then you'll cause the nutrients that are available here to die off. So instead, just take it the way it is at room temperature. It will really cause a nutritional and an health benefit, especially to the respiratory tract. So in addition to this working for cough, it's also an efficient drink for the eye, so the retina, vision. All this is the other significance of using the carrots. So I'm going to go ahead and load this to our cup. Beautiful. Yes. So if the taste of honey is slightly far off, say if you use more carrots, it's advisable to just have 3 carrots. That will ensure you have a perfect serving of a 250 ml serving. So for this, you can get to take 1 or 2 daily. So this 250 glass, so you can get to take 1 or 2 daily until the cough goes away. So it's a perfect mucilite, it's a perfect pectoral, it's a perfect alkalizing agent. It's also good for the digestive system as a whole. Yeah, so I really love it that each and every one of you tries this. If you have a cough, you have a cold, all the nutrients within this juice are quite efficient for you to get better soon. I'll go ahead and garnish like so.